Okay, now family, camera girl, could you get right in? I want you to look at where the peas is. The peas is halfway cooked through. Now, please to put the camera on my camera girl. It's time for our cornmeal dumplings. That is the very, very first thing you put in there. Why, Miss Debbie? Because the cornmeal dumpling can't mash out. Cornmeal dumplings coming up. As make some pinners. Make sure you make some pinners for this thing. I've made mine at that time. Soft, but as soon as the hot water catch them, I tell you that. And all of that. So you make your nice little dumplings. Okay, so we're going to finish put off a cornmeal dumpling them in this thing here. Pinners and everybody. Make sure you're getting 2 soup dumpling. So finish put them in and return. Finally, the cornmeal dumplings going in. You see them little sexy one they we put in? Them there for the kids and the little soup dumpling. If your husband is a Jamaican, please to make him cornmeal dumpling them about this size, okay? The man, them not like them dumpling too small. Alright, family? Them not love little dumpling. Yeah, so you kind of give them dumpling a little thing. So look here. Cornmeal dumpling in. Quite good, quite nice. And them ready and then going on. You'll see what we'll be putting in next. See the beef shin, half cooked off, with this nice little juice right in. Look at this. We're starting to flavor. Hello, please, we don't want no soup with no olive food and sauce of water in it. How do you do? Okay. Let us give it a decent stir and you'll see us in the other part of this video. Okay? Okay, now family. We have our cow skins and them gel like this. They're not fully cooked out, but look at this. Them almost, but they can't catch, so no problem, they're not burnt. So we are putting the cow skin now because we want it to stay in there and cook and let the gel start coming out. This is where we're gonna start building some gel from the cow skin. So we put it inside there, and you see we meat, you see we shin. Let me show you the color of the shin, how it hold up. You see it? It's not all dead, you know, the white meat looking thing there. So we're gonna get our things stir up now. And let me say something to you. You notice right here and now that we don't have a red color because the peas, when you put it to soak, it looked red when we bought it, it looked red, but it's not giving us that red color that we need. Now, we, in the next little segment of part 2 here, will be looking some natural color for this red pea soup, because with peas never give it the color if that should ever happen to you. You'll see what we're gonna do next. Natural color, 1 small beetroot, and we're gonna cut it fine, and we're going over to blend it. Okay, when we get it all blended out, we'll show you. Natural food coloring. Let's see how much we would like. We need. Okay. You're going to stir up your soup. Stirring up your soup, and let it continue. Look at that. Isn't that a beauty, y'all? Look at this. Somebody please comment. We're getting this color from this red pea soup. Natural. Just when you have your peas and your peas not giving it that color, you just use a little beetroot and blend it out. We'll keep this because we're going to be putting some coconut cream in there, and it is going to dim the red again. So if we need a little more, we'll come back. Okay, y'all? Okay, breadfruit, sweet potato, and pom yam. Right in all at once. Okay? So basically, we are in with all of these now. So we need to get our thing start stirring. We have a whole heap of meat and all of them something, and you see what is happening right there. Yes, we have the color, and yes, we have everything. We're gonna be needing some more liquid, but you gotta use your hot water, and you're to make sure that at this point you have your hot water. So look here, we're gonna add some extra water get the thing up because look here, see whole heap of food in this thing. We don't want when this thing don't cook and come down, we don't have the food, we don't have the soup or source of food, you know. We want the soup for drinking. We're gonna add some more water and gonna get our thing coming as we go along and it starts taking body. We'll come back, show you how we're gonna spice, flavor up this thing here. Eh? Okay, now family, bring up your coconut milk to a warm temperature and you add your coconut milk in right now. We might not use all of it. And right now at this point, you're going to be needing your wooden spoon. Because you have some serious, you need some serious strong stir. And we have a rest of beetroot and we're just going to put it right in there. That's it. So look at this. So these are the stir you're going to be having with the wooden spoon. When you see us again, it will be time to flavor up with green scallion and with green thyme and with green scotch bonnet, pimento seed, and all of that. And all of that. Okay, now, final, we have beaten green scallions, we have a pimento seed, we have a green thyme, we're using 2 green pepper in this size pot of soup. Everybody going right here, right now. We have less than a teaspoon of Maggi all-purpose. Not Maggi all-purpose, the thing that you got out of the noodle, we sift out the noodle and we have half of this. Just a little bit, because look what, you all know that this Maggi thing here, they put a little MSG in there, you know. So from time to time, people use it to flavor out them soup. Look at this. Look at this, family. A decent pot of Jamaican red pea soup. It is hard work. Okay? Now we want to taste for some salt perfection. We are done up here now. We are left it for the simmer. You know. Remember now, we're going to use this spoon, but we're not going to put it back in there. Eh? I spoke about that. I will have to rinse it right now because I won't be putting it back. Want know how much salt we want? Okay? Got the salt perfection. Now about a teaspoon of garlic flakes or maybe some fresh grated garlic. It doesn't matter because we did use garlic already. So look at this now. We're there. We're through. We're done. It's gonna be from now on constant stirring with your wooden spoon. If you have the bamboo tontik from country, Kelati, comment on that one. At this point now, we're pairing some of the back then in the days we don't have the bamboo tontik, but we have the wooden spoon upgraded version. Come on now, family. Let's get stirring. Look at this. Say something about this in the comments below. Okay, when you see me back again, dish up some other soup here for you know. Eh? Okay now family, we are right back on the inside and our soup finished. Look at this. The first thing I want you to look at is the consistency of the soup. If you want your soup a little thicker, you can leave it and let it stir some more. Now I want to ask you all, especially my Jamaican peeps who know about cooking. I want to call a few names right here. Kelati, I want to ask Angela Hamilton, rather me know you're not in this, but because you know you're not a poor person. When we have things like breadfruit, yam, and all of those in our soups, would we need to mix some cornstarch? Why would we need cornstarch for this soup? All of you Jamaicans, and also I'm throwing it out to you who are not Jamaicans, who knows about cooking. Why would we need cornstarch in this soup to put it together? Or do we need cornstarch to put it together? One more time at the consistency of the soup. This is red pea soup. We're going to leave this soup for 10 minutes. Look at the consistency. You there, camera girl? When we return, 2 things. We'll be showing you the consistency of this rested pot of red pea soup, and we're going to be plating up some for you. Okay, now food time for you all. Watch me, camera girl, please to get right in on this, and let's plate. You see the consistency? Let us give it a stir with our wooden spoon. Look at this. I don't know if you'd want your red pea soup thicker than this. I would not. I want soup. I want soup, not jello. And this is what our herbs look like when we remove them. Try not to let your peppers burst. We put 2 in there. We needed 2 green pepper for this. Look at what the thyme and the scallions came down to. Every single bit of them goodness here in this. Let's plate up some food. Let's plate up some food for our family, camera girl. Okay. Now, you see your pigtail them come down to the right size. You don't have to worry. So look here. Let me start take out the meat first. Our sweet potato got all a little. No, this is a piece of pum pum yam. If you so care, that one is dry. Be careful. Be careful. This is another piece of the pum pum yam. Or it was the other yellow yam, not sure. No, this is one of them dumpling that me tell you. Say, you must look here. You must make sure you get. If your husband is a Jamaican, you must make sure say you give dumpling like that. Look here. Let me get you some of this beef shin. You see? You might me get you some of it. This is not a joke, you know. Okay. Giving you a little piece of breadfruit if you so like it. Yep. I'm giving you a little piece of sweet potato. And all of that. Now we have got to get this thing all stirred up, because we have to get you some soup with some peas in the ladle. So make we just go deal with that and come back now. Come make you eat. At time enough for you eat. Not true. I'm ready to present, but look at this, y'all. This is a cow skin. Look at it. Look at it, y'all. Say something. Comment. Look at the challenge. This is just dabbling. Right on over here. From my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all to your stomach. It's Jamaican red pea soup. You saw me. And if you not know what me do, just go right back to part 1 and follow the journey. Come right down to here. Let me say to you, please do enjoy. Who is gonna pick up this in the comment section first? I don't know. I'll see. Please do enjoy once more. Now, I also want to implore you, you're gonna need this. You are going to need this after you're through with this, and you're gonna be needing more, lots and lots more of this throughout the time. It is now like 10 o'clock Jamaican time in the AM, and you're gonna be needing, after you finish this bowl, you're gonna be needing a few glasses of this right throughout the day. Please do enjoy. If you have liked this video, remember to give me a thumbs up. Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is the fall that is kicking in. You all need this. This is such a long anticipated video. Please do enjoy a decent pot of Jamaican red pea soup. It is hard work. I can do for you other versions that will make it a little easier, yet still the same. But this is the way that we go. Or let us say this is the long meat away. Okay? And this produces good result, nice tasting. It is hard work. You saw me. I did it from scratch. Please leave your comments below on this. Principled and decent. And if you want to be a member of our post notification shout out crew, all you need to do, subscribe, hit the like button, and hit that subscribe button, is that notification bell, I'm sorry. And when you do that, you leave your comments below. Principled and decent as always. Today's post notification shout out goes to Adrian Prince. Adrian, Jesus God, say something about this now, Papa. Hi, hello. Do say something about this. Talk up the things in the comment section. And I don't forget, Adrian and others, keep your notification on. Adrian, may I come with something where you ask me Father Jamaican something that you and I know. Please keep your notifications on. Debbie from Dongayard, I said bless you all family. This was a little stress.